And we are live. Welcome everybody for this special live stream. In this live stream, I will make a special announcement, and at the end, we are going to have a Q&A. Hi to everybody in the chat. We have Christian, Paras, Eric, Dansong, Dixon, Nicholas, Crypto Michael, Gashesh. Very happy to see you for the second live stream in a row. So, a few weeks ago, I told you that I wanted to give more power to the community of Eat the Blocks by letting you vote for the content of Eat the Blocks on YouTube. And there are several ways to do this. So that's why I did a poll to get some feedback. So in the end, more than 400 people voted. I was very happy about the participation. And the first question was how the Eat the Blocks community should vote for the content of Eat the Blocks. And so in the answer, 49.6% voted with a token and a dApp, 24.8% voted with a regular web app, then 19.8% voted for just keep it like now, which means just me collecting feedback from YouTube comments, emails, etc. And then we also had a lot of other suggestions, like for example using a YouTube poll. So I like it. It's very simple, but it didn't get a lot of votes and it's not as powerful as what we could do with a token. Then someone said give some priority for the students of Eat the Blocks if we do a token. That makes sense. Twitter poll, yeah, but it's a little bit it's outside of YouTube and not many people want that. Someone said with some pull requests from GitHub. So the problem is that there are still some people that are not technical enough for this, so that would leave out a lot of problem. A lot of people outside of this. Then what else? Yeah, Cosmos app. So yeah, I mean Cosmos doesn't really have a high user adoption right now. Then what else? What else did we have? Yeah, Telegram poll. Yeah, I mean I don't think people would be willing to install Telegram just to vote for Eat the Blocks. I mean some of you use Telegram already, but that's not the case of everybody. So based on this vote, ladies and gentlemen, I'm proud to announce that I will launch a dApp and a token to vote for the content of Eat the Blocks on YouTube. So there are several things that we need to decide. So first, where would this token be deployed? So that's actually the second question. So 35.1% of people answered on the Binance Smart Chain, 32.9% voted for an L2 chain on Ethereum like Polygon. 17.8% voted for Ethereum L1. And then we had a couple of other suggestions like Polkadot, Avalanche, Cardano, Tron, but we don't have enough adoption for this. There is even someone who suggested Rinkeby, so a testnet of Ethereum. So my concern for where to deploy are, first, I would like it to be as close as possible to Ethereum, as decentralized as possible, but without the gas fees, because voting is a relatively low value action compared to when you are trading a large sum of money. So basically nobody would be willing to pay a lot just to vote for Eat the Blocks. So unfortunately that eliminates Ethereum L1, and we can see that actually not so many people voted for that. Then we had a very strong alternative would have been an Ethereum L2, but that's only the second. It only comes second in the vote, and in any way I don't really have enough experience working with this L2 chain solution, and I don't think they are mature enough yet. So for a first deployment, I want to make sure that I really master the development environment. And yeah, so we're just going to go with the crowd. So people voted for the Binance Smart Chain, so that's what we're going to take. The only downside of Binance Smart Chain is that it's more centralized compared to Ethereum. Ideally, I would like to make the system completely free to use. So that's why for the V1 of the voting DApp, we are going to do it on Binance Smart Chain, but the tokens will be on Binance Smart Chain, but we're going to use a system of signature where the front end will prompt users to sign for their vote, and the signature will be sent to a backend. And after once the voting time is over, the backend will calculate the result. So that means we do sacrifice decentralization in exchange of a system totally free to use. So tokens on chain, but the voting app is actually not real dApp. It's like a regular app on a backend server. Later, if we find a blockchain with zero transaction fee or very low transaction fee, we could have a system, or we could have a system where the blocks finance the transaction fee for the vote. So in this case, we could move to a more decentralized solution. But for now, we're going to adopt the solution I mentioned. So another benefit of starting with an off-chain voting app is that it will be easier to do updates, and at the beginning we are much more likely to do many updates. So when we're still in the phase of iteration, it can be actually quite beneficial to do it that way. So next question, how the voting will work. So I prepared a document for that. So we are going to vote for 2 videos a month. So, and this video will be published on the YouTube channel of Eat the Blog. So the first week of the month, this will be the voting period for the first video. At the end of the first week, the backend of the app will determine the winning vote. On week 2, I will start working on the video, and it will be published at the end of week 2. And on week 3, the cycle will repeat. So we might change the frequency of the vote later, but I don't want to go too fast. I want to make sure that people have enough time to vote. So we're going to start like this with 2 videos a month. At the beginning, I will be the only one who can submit proposals for the vote. So on the front end of the voting app, there will be a form to send me emails to if you want to make some suggestions. And these suggestions will go in an internal bucket with all the suggestions, and before each vote I will pick a couple of all the suggestions from the bucket, and I will put them available for the vote as a proposal. Later we could have a system where if you have a certain number of Eat the Blocks token, you can directly make a proposal as well, but at the beginning I'll be the only one who can make proposal. I think this is super important, because if we just let anybody make a proposal, it's going to be super messy, and for each vote we're going to have like 300 proposals, and it's just going to be impossible to work with this. So we need someone who curate this a little bit. When you make a suggestion for a video topic, so please don't ask for something too complex, because I currently release 4 videos per week on the channel, and I need some time to prepare everything, not just the video that we vote for. So for example, don't ask me to do like a full course on a topic XYZ. Please be more specific. For example, if you're interested in a certain topic, explaining why you're interested in this, what you want to achieve. So this way we can make the topic more specific. Later, maybe we could have a system where, depending on the complexity of the topic suggestion, it will require more or less tokens to get it approved. But at the beginning, I just want to keep the system really simple. So then we are going to talk about the token distribution. So 10% 10% will be given as an airdrop. So out of this 10%, 5% will be given to anybody who register for the airdrop. So that's the basic allocation. There is no precondition. You just go to the form to register, and you'll be part of this allocation. And 5% other will be shared among the first 1,000 customers of Eat the Blocks. So yes, Eat the Blocks just crossed 1,000 customers recently. It's really a big milestone. So this allocation, this other extra 5%, that's the bonus allocation, and this corresponds roughly to all people who bought a course until April 10th of this year, so that was just a few days ago. Then we will have 50% that is allocated to the community, staking and other purpose. So this is very loosely defined. So we'll be able to use this money to support use this token to support the ecosystem. And for the remaining 40%, it will be set aside for the employees of AIRDROP, the investors, and for me. And if you are wondering why I chose this allocation, that's roughly equivalent to the allocation of the airdrop for Uniswap. So yeah, that's why I chose this. In terms of calendar, so that's what we're going to do. So the registration for the basic allocation of the airdrop starts today. And for people who want to register, so this is the link. Okay, so let me post the link. Let me post the link in the chat. Yeah, let me know if you can see the link, because sometimes YouTube does some weird stuff with my link, just censor some stuff. Yeah, so basically you have to input your email and your address on Binance Smart Chain. Then you have until the end of the month to register, so April 30. In the meantime, I will create the token of AIRDROP and okay, let me go back to the other tab. Yeah, so in the meantime, I will create the token of AIRDROP and deploy it to the Binance Smart Chain. And after that, I will create the off-chain AIRDROP app and deploy it. So more on that later. And after, I will create the off-chain voting app, which we'll call the DAO. And so for these three items, token, AIRDROP app, and voting app, I will do videos about them on the channel, because I think the creation process is also interesting for everybody. So during all this time, you can register for the airdrop. And at the end of the month, just after the deadline for the airdrop registration, I will deploy the airdrop app and basically make it available online. And I will send the link to everybody. And so you will need to go to this airdrop app to claim your token. So practically that means you're going to send a transaction to the Ethereum network, to the Binance Smart Chain network, and in return it's going to send you the token. So that means you will need to pay the transaction fees in BNB for mining your transaction, as you would for any other transaction on Binance Smart Chain. But the transaction fees on Binance Smart Chain are much smaller than on Ethereum, so it should be reasonable. And after that, so in May, we will start the cycle of the votes. So on May 3, it will be the first week, the first Monday of the month. So we'll do the first vote, then they're going to be the first video, then second vote, second video, etc. Okay, so now we are going to do the Q&A. So let me go up in the chat. So what do we have? Eli, hi. H20 Polo GT, what's up? THX, hey. George, Batman, hey, good to see you, Batman. Aqualogy, hello. R24, you need to update your browser. Why is that? Fatty Chunk, a full tutorial on creating custom token, smart contract, deploying token. Why? Okay, well, basically, when I will create the token for AIRDROP, I will do a video on it on the channel. So maybe that answers your question. Dynamis, hey. Abracadabra, hey. Dunkler, XDAI, great chain. Yes, maybe, but I haven't really used it myself, so I just want to keep it safe. And in any case, people have voted for Binance Smart Chain, so we're just gonna go with the flow. Hi, Crypt Technology. Hey, what's up? H20, yeah, ideally decentralized. Yeah, unfortunately, we're gonna start with a more centralized system, but I'm a practical person. I want people to actually use this app and actually vote. So first, we're gonna try it that way, and in the future, if we can make it more decentralized and keep the cost acceptable for everybody, we'll do it. Yeah. All right. Let me see. Amina said, please update your Chrome. Oh, how do you know I need to update my Chrome? Oh, it's because I have the red button on the top right corner. Okay, interesting. um, and Chrome, this is crypto, use Braille. Okay. So I think like from next time I need to change my browser. A lot of bad feedback. All right. What else? What do we have? R24 saying congratulations on the milestone. That was for the reference of 1,000 customer in the blocks. Yeah. I was really happy to reach this. Gasha is saying if the blogs have employees, very soon. I'm in the process of hiring the first employee. Phil saying okay for the link. Okay, awesome. Abracadabra saying registered. Okay, amazing. Alexander Berry, hey. Then. What do we have? Abracadabra. Question for Julian. I probably missed. What is the max supply? Yeah, it's a good question. So I'm thinking of doing maybe 1 million. But I'm trying to find a justification of how I can choose this total supply. But yeah, I'll like 1 million. But yeah, if you guys have other suggestion and why we should choose such or such supply, let me know. Didas, hello. Rahul, hi from India. Hey man. Rahul saying I love your video. Thanks. Lama6666, love your show and course, Julian. Awesome. Glad to hear it. Nicholas, I think you can distribute token to mass list of addresses like an ICO. Actually, I already thought of different mechanism for the airdrop. And if you distribute like this to a lot of addresses, it can cost a lot in gas, and it actually doesn't even fit in a single transaction. So I would prefer for everybody to just do the claiming process themselves. But yeah, it should be very reasonable in terms of cost. Gasha is any flash on opportunities? Wow, that's a good one. Yeah, maybe I haven't thought about it. Yeah, maybe. Then Evertail, awesome stuff, man. Thanks. Rahul, hello, great video. Keep going, thank you. Dixon, any updates on applying to become a teacher? Update. So first, I want to focus on this, the token, but maybe in 1-2 weeks, I will send an email for a webinar where I will explain what I'm looking for teacher. But it's coming soon. It's in a matter of weeks. Yeah, but I just don't want to mix everything right now. I want to put the focus on the voting process. Kellen, congrats on the 1,000 customers. Thank you. If we purchase with CC, the email will get us the extra allocation. You need to use the same so when you register in the form I gave before, you need to use exactly the same email as you use for purchasing the course, so that I can know that you are a customer. In any case, you will be in the basic allocation, but if you want to get the bonus allocation, you need to use the same email. Guy Amusa, how you get Binance Smart Chain address? Well, you need to use a wallet that supports Binance Smart Chain. So MetaMask is one of them. You have many. So Binance Smart Chain uses the same system as on Ethereum. So if you basically have an address on Ethereum and you control this private key, you should be able to reuse exactly the same address on Binance Smart Chain. However, be careful if you use an address on Ethereum through, for example, a centralized exchange. In general, you don't have access to the private key. So in this case, you should be careful. yeah, so yeah, make sure you control the private key on Ethereum, and then you can use the same address on Binance Smart Chain. Crypto technology. I'm running a smart contract test. Okay, so it's not really a good time for just support requests. You can ask in the Facebook group of Eat the Blocks for that. Llama, next you can build a bridge to other chains in the app. Yeah, we'll do one step at a time. First, we see on Binance Smart Chain, and in the future, if the community decide that it's better to have the tokens on another chain, then we can also do a migration. But for now, we're going to do on BSC. Ebu is saying, use Microsoft Edge for my browser. No thanks. No thanks. Leon Africa is saying, thank you for the great content. Thanks, man. Then THX, you can buy Bitcoin as an NFT. I don't know. I don't know what's that Bitcoin. Aminas, will tokens once voted be burned? A very good question. So no. In the meantime, if you think it should be burned, let me know why. But yeah, no. My plan is to just, with the same token, you can vote indefinitely. Yeah. Leon Africa, how about we purchase the token for $1? No. You don't. The token is not for sale. Okay, this is not an ICO. This is an airdrop, so you just get it for free. That's the only way to get it. You just register, you get it for free. Yeah. Miss Hacker, Apurva, I don't miss your live stream. I love them. Wow, very nice. Thank you. Nicolas saying 21 million like Bitcoin for the total supply. Yeah, why not? Fatty Chong, is it possible to increase the supply while it's deployed? Probably not. Yeah, probably make it a fixed supply. Tech Nomento, hi Julian, hey man. Abracadabra, 1 million is decent. Yeah. Brendan, did I miss the announcement? Yeah, basically we are launching an app for voting on the content of Eat the Blocks, and this will be powered by a token that will be airdropped. And you need to register with the link I gave above. Actually, let me give the link again for those who didn't get it. So you register there, and that's how you whitelist your address for the airdrop, and then on May 1st you will have to claim your token by using an app that I will put online. And what else? Bob CH, bonjour de France. Hey man. Paras, why not on Binance Smart Chain? Yeah, that's what we're doing. We're doing the token on Binance Smart Chain. Gashes, any new flash loan arbitrage opportunity? Yeah, I'm not sure about the built-in flash loan in the token. We're gonna keep it simple at the beginning. Paras saying, why not dual DAO on Binance Smart Chain? Yeah, I mean that's kind of the idea. It's basically this voting app. This voting app is a sort of DAO, except just at the beginning it will be centralized. But the plan is to make it decentralized in the future, and yeah, this basically will be a DAO, and we will start by just voting for the content of Eat the Block, but maybe in the future that the tokens can be used for other stuff. Yeah. Mega Montana saying, hey Julian, nice work, thank you. Abracadabra, question for Julian, name of the token? Yeah, I mean it's easy. It's a 3-letter ticker, ETB. Yeah, very easy, ETB. What else? Evertel, I was a little late here. What's the purpose of the DAO app F token? It's just to vote for 2 videos a month for Eat the Block. So like, oftentimes you guys want to have you have some specific requests for tutorials. So like, we're doing a process where it's a little bit more, everything is a little bit more official, organized, and yeah, it's better for everybody to get some good feedback from the community. Leon Africa, so suppose the token value, then we pay batch for stone amount. Who wants to? No. Okay. Just I repeat again. There is no payment for this token. No payment at all. It's free. I just give it for free. It's just airdrop. No payment. Dan Beaton, great content. Thanks, Dan. Dixon use curl for browse dr. What's that is a new browser. THX saying Tubbycoin is based off a TV show called Teletubbies. Oh, it seems like the latest NFT, right? Okay, Abracadabra, we could build it on Substrate on Polkadot. I could help with that, but I think Binance Smart Chain is really enough. Yeah, thanks for the suggestion, Abracadabra, but yeah, I think Polkadot at this point is a little bit too new, as I would prefer to use something a little bit more established. And also, since I will be the one managing the whole infrastructure, I want to use something that I really master, which is the case of Binance Smart Chain. But Polkadot, I would have to learn everything, and maybe there I will make some mistakes. So yeah, I mean, just a side note, but the way I do my project, I always separate the learning with putting things in production. So you never want to learn with something that you're going to put in production. You learn, you do a lot of tutorials outside of any official stuff, and only after, once you feel comfortable, you put things in production. So yeah, just staying very safe here. Apuva is saying, can you please make video on best security practice in Solidity? Yeah, well, maybe that you can make this suggestion with the voting app once it's in place. Batman saying, super big thanks to Julian, helped me score my first small gig, and since then I've done other paying projects. Your course and advice was invaluable. Wow, I'm super happy, Batman. Yeah, that was exactly the goal of the course and of the video here on YouTube. Yeah, super happy to know this. Abracadabra, question for Julian. Binance support Binance Smart Chain builders with money. Will you apply? I wasn't even aware of that. Yeah, maybe I could check if I qualify for some of their fund. Interesting. Then, Rufino, thank you for communicating the plan with us, Julian. Well done. Yes, my pleasure. Mario, thanks for your effort, Julian. Greets from Austria. Yeah, no problem. Gashesh, which is friendly country for blockchain? US? Oh no, I don't think so. US. Japan, I don't know. Where I am in Taiwan is pretty good. Singapore also, I think they have a legal framework for crypto stuff. Malta also. I know that the first blockchain startup I worked for, they were incorporated in Malta. Yeah. What else? Raul, can you do a series about interacting with unverified contracts? Yeah, so when the voting app is online, you can make a suggestion there. And then Kelang saying it's going to be interesting to see this token trading on PancakeSwap. Okay, so I just airdrop the token. Like, from my point of view, the token is used for voting. That's it. Sebastien, what do you think of Litecoin Cash? I wasn't even aware of it, but I mean, already Litecoin is kind of a phantom coin at this point. So I mean, forking a phantom coin, I don't think this is a good idea. Abracadabra, question for Julian. Will the DAO be able to vote for more things than the 2 videos per month? Yeah. I mean, I basically want to make the tokens more and more useful, but you know, I like to do one thing at a time. So first, I want to put the voting process in place, make sure that there are no bugs, make sure that people are actually using it. And after listen for the suggestion of the community, and maybe that this token could be used to vote for maybe a project of Eat the Blocks, because I would like Eat the Blocks maybe to launch some project, maybe some open source tool or some other stuff. But first, we only gonna do the 2 videos per month. Forex, do you know a good meme explorer for ERC20, BEP20? You can use the pool explorer. There is a meme pool explorer from Alchemy. Alchemy, which is an API for Ethereum developer, and I did a video on Alchemy maybe like 6 months or 1 year ago. So yeah, you can search on YouTube. You will find my video. Gashesh, what do you think about Mina Protocol? I'm not aware of that one. Gashesh, how to improve CSS skills? Wow. Okay, so I'm not really into front end these days, but the most simple is just to use a framework like Bootstrap. It will help you a lot to do something nice. and and yeah, that's all I have to say. But yeah, I'm not the best guy to ask for front end stuff. Sebastian GR, you should check expense sidechain. It's an ETH sidechain just like Binance Smart Chain, but way better. Okay, interesting. Prelian, can you do DeFi arbitrage on Binance Smart Chain? Yes, I have a video on Flash Loan on Binance Smart Chain. You can check it on my channel. Ed Estrella, hey man, good to see you live. Yeah, thanks. Mega Montana, how would you set up the coaching teaching session? Not sure what you mean, but I think you mean the. Okay, I think this is not really related to the voting, but yeah, I used to do to offer coaching on for some students, but I temporarily disabled it because I'm really too busy. So yeah, currently no private coaching. Thibaut is asking me if I'm French. Yes, I am, absolutely. You recognize the French accent. Ed Estrella, I wanted to say what's up from Southern California. Hey, what's up? Jason Bourne, Julian, what is WebSocket access to Binance Smart Chain testnet? Wow, good question. If they don't offer it as part of their own public infrastructure, I know there is at least one API that also offer access to Binance Smart Chain. So yeah, just first Google which API give you access to Binance Smart Chain, not the official endpoint, but like a private company, and then they might offer you what you're looking for. Taylor saying, I like your accent. Thank you. Abracadabra saying best, okay, I think you mean best country for crypto is Portugal, Germany, Swiss, no taxes at all. Oh, okay. Interesting. Germany? Really? Huh. Swiss? Yeah, I can believe it. Gaches, do you have the, okay, okay, let's skip the next question. Ed Estrella, I wanted to say what's up from Southern California. Oh, okay, same, I think same message. Keep it up, thanks, man. Gachesh. Okay, let's just skip this one. Ed Estrella, love the content. Thanks. Bitcoin Delight, Eat the Blocks, AirDrop, when, how? Yeah, check out the link. Okay, so there I post the link again, so you need to register to be whitelisted, and then there is all the explanation on the page. So yeah, check it out. How to get AirDrop? Sherman is asking. Yeah, follow the link I just posted. Milan, hey man, I made you sniping bot, but it only catch one pair created. Yeah, I don't know. It's a bit hard like this to provide support just with this question. But yeah, ask if you have question. Ask technical question. Ask in the Facebook group of Eat the Blocks. All right. Okay. What else do we have? Ivan saying, hey Julian, great work. I want to purchase your lifetime access course. What should I do? It's officially closed. It's officially closed. It was for Black Friday. I will make it available again, maybe for next Black Friday. Yeah. Forex Shark saying, okay, thanks for the answer. Okay, no problem. Taylor, you guys here? Okay, let's skip this. Joseph, is the process of integrating DeFi for DeFi the same as for NFT? I'm not sure what you mean, but basically Binance Smart Chain is a copy and paste of Ethereum, so everything you can do on Ethereum you can do on Binance Smart Chain. Seb, salut Dancy. Hey, someone from France. Abracadabra. No, we saw the white flag behind you. Oh yeah, the joke on French people. Yeah, I mean, I've been living with American roommates like for years and years, so I heard this joke many times. Adam B, did I miss the announcement? We are launching a new voting system for the content of Eat the Blocks, powered by a token launched on Binance Smart Chain, and you can register for the airdrop with the link I posted in the chat. What else? What else? What else? Ezila thought of on ADA smart contract any sizable interest from developers. Cardano is too little, too late. Yeah, nothing interesting on Cardano. Hassan saying quick note giving a Binance Smart Chain node, giving access, you mean, to Binance Smart Chain node? Okay, interesting. Hassan saying Anarch giving you Binance Smart Chain API. Okay, so another API for Binance Smart Chain. What else? Abracadabra, we should hire some groupies from Julian for DAO Vault. I think for the airdrop and for the initial app, I should be able to figure out myself, but maybe in the future, as we go, yeah, I'll try to find a way to involve the community, yeah, for sure. What else do we have? Abracadabra saying you can run a node on Binance Smart Chain. As far as I know, all the nodes are from Binance. Maybe for the validators, but I think if you just want to read the data, I think anybody can run a node. Sora chat, is that your token? Yeah, so in the voting system of Eat the Blocks, the token will be the token of Eat the Blocks, ETB, and that will launch this month. Yeah. Milan saying, I've been pending on your Facebook group for 2 days. Yeah, it's no more, Milan. I basically batch approve everybody once a week. Yeah, so you'll get approved on Sunday. Kilber, Binance Smart Chain will be bigger than Ethereum. I don't think so. As soon as you start to have Ethereum layer 2 chain, the trend will go back to Ethereum for sure. Oh my god, would it be better to have Discord and Telegram instead of Facebook? Okay, so Facebook is the public group, anybody can register, and then for students, people who take one of my course, they have access to a private Discord, which is much more active than the Facebook group, and with really high quality discussions. Even myself at this point, I cannot follow. There are more than 1,000 people who took my course, so now the Discord is super active. And so sometimes some people use the Discord also to hire each other, so it's also a great way to do some networking. What else? Milan, when will you accept the next batch of people for your group? Sunday. I do this every Sunday. Geshes, why is DAP30 not available? It's because DAP30 was one of the first courses I did, but then after I thought that maybe it was a little bit too long for some people, so I did another course that was a little bit shorter, but this other course was kind of competing with the DAP30, so in the end I didn't want to make people feel confused, so that's why I removed it from the catalog. But yeah, people can still take it, but they need to ask me for the link. Abracadabra, sorry bro, poor joke. No, it's fine. I don't mind. Then there, which question we have? K Foshman, Evertel, non-fungible yearn and NFT would be great subject. Maybe. Yeah, I mean, once the voting app is live, you can make any suggestion you want, and then for each vote, I will pick a couple of suggestions. I will turn them into proposal. And if people vote for your proposal, then that's what I'm gonna do. Yeah. Forex Shark, would you be opposed to people integrating your token into other projects, farms, etc.? I mean, the system is on blockchain. The system is open, so I have nothing to say about this. Really. So if people want to integrate my coin into other stuff, it's fine with me. It's the whole point of DeFi is that you don't have to ask me for permission. The API of the token is totally open. So yeah, I don't see any problem. Pralian, do you have experience modifying the guest code base to add custom features? No. For that you need like a pure backend developer, like super hardcore. Yeah, it's pretty hardcore stuff. Abracadabra, it's crypto anyway. Of course, it will be in PancakeSwap in the pool. I'm making one and buying your airdrop token. Okay, Forex Shark, you can build custom node for Binance Smart Chain. Okay, interesting. Marmet, then create a token factory smart contract with following feature: deploy multiple token, design above, and is the owner of those tokens. Not sure what you mean. Saga, please share how to upload and download file in IPFS via JavaScript. Okay, so this, for example, this is an ID for a suggestion once the voting app is online. Ivan saying, you said that the lifetime access is closed, so does it mean that I have to pay the course individually? Ivan, you know, actually, you can ask me all of these questions. It's better that you send me an email for question about the course. So please re-ask me your question at julian@eattheblocks.com. I put the link below and I will answer individually. What else? Saga. No, I already did this one. Oh my god, I didn't know you had a discount. It's not really a discount. I bought you 6-figure blockchain course, and I literally the best course about dApp development and blockchain in general. Cool, man. Thanks. Really appreciate the feedback. Forex Shack, Julian is the homie. We can all learn from other developers. Thank you. 2017 saying thanks for the airdrop, Julian. Yeah, no problem. Manmeet, how to create multiple token design. Yeah, ask this in for technical question. Ask in the Facebook group of Eat the Blocks. So right, chat. What platform I can buy your course? Okay, so if you want to buy my course, basically, okay, let me put this is for the courses. I put the link for if you're interested in the courses. Thanks, Julian, for making this DAO and your work. Yeah, no problem. Cryptology just got the 2-course bundle. Great. Manmeet, can you make me explain how to create multiple token design? Yeah, not sure to understand the question, but yeah, ask in the Facebook group of Eat the Blocks. Abracadabra, Julian, do we have Discord? What do we mean? You are in a private Discord, I believe, right? Yashesh, Eat the Blocks to the moon. Yes. Ivan, thanks, Julian. You are the best. Thanks, man. Appreciate. Abracadabra saying, I feel a Lambo. Yes. Okay, guys. So I think that we are running out of questions. So let me copy paste one last time the registration form for the airdrop. So everything is explained. So you register there, you put your email address, your address for Binance Smart Chain. So you'll be whitelisted. And next month, you will receive a link to claim your token. So there will be an app to claim your token. And in the meantime, I will deploy the token to Binance Smart Chain. I will also code it on the channel. I will do a video about this. So there will be 3 videos, 1 video for the token, 1 video for the app of the airdrop, and 1 video for the voting application. So that's really interesting because this time this is going to be some production code. It's not going to be like some tutorial that is just a tutorial, but you're going to see something that actually will be used in production. Plant Tamagotchi saying, when are you launching a token yourself? And if you do, what would be the concept behind it? Okay, so that's basically what I explained in this video. So I invite you to rewind. And yeah, basically I explain everything in this video because we are launching a token. THX, I'm so sorry to hear that you're running out of questions. Abracadabra, thanks for your video and your work. See ya. And I wasn't on Discord yet. Oh, okay. Oh, for some reason I thought you took one of my courses. Okay. But you can have access to the public Facebook group. It's for everybody. R24, Eat the Block is going to pump. Eat the Blocks Lambo. Yes. Okay, guys. Great. So yeah, that was great to have your feedback. And yeah, in the next few weeks, if you guys have any feedback for this voting system, you can email me at julian@eattheblocks.com. I'll be really happy to get your feedback because I want this to be a community project. Really. Yeah. All right, guys, that's it for today. I will see you later this week on Eat the Blocks. Have a great day. Bye-bye.